and power. Good key lime apple goodness. And chickens?
Welcome to the Apple Orchard. Join myself and others collecting vintage and not so vintage Apple computers and products. Welcome to the Orchard.
And here we go, finally on its first boot. I've had this thing sitting around a while. It's been a long journey for this thing, but isn't she beautiful? That key lime goodness, as Steve Jobs would say. A little less conservative, a little more fun. This particular model was sold between September 13th of 2000 and May 1st of 2001, but exclusively only in the Apple online stores, which makes these a little more rare than the normal clamshells they have out there. They come weighing in at a whopping 6.7 pounds, and the original price of the cool $1,799 US dollars. Oh wait, let's check out what we got here. Mac OS 10, 10.2 Jaguar, not shabby. $466? Are you kidding me? How did we end up with this one? That is awesome. Well, she seems to be running great, so let's give her a little bit of a bath. Get some 91% isopropyl alcohol here. Clean her down. First, we got to get rid of this big old crusty sticker on there. Looks like it's been there for years. I don't know if this guy's had it stored in the garage or whatever, but hey, it's still working. I cannot complain. This particular model came in two colors. You got the key lime and the graphite, which is kind of a grayish color. They're the only ones to come with a 4-spin DVD-ROM drive. The cheapest Apple computer to come with a DVD-ROM drive at its time. Can you believe that? All the iBooks before just came with a slinky old CD-ROM drive. These also came equipped with the 802.11b airport cards, which are kind of obsolete today.
iBook G3 key lime, found it online early summertime, but this guy lives out in the middle of nowhere, so he never did go get it. Lo and behold, it's mid-October now. We got some time off and we said, hey, let's see if he still has it. He does. So we're about to go pick it up for a nice 20 bucks. This is our adventure.
Go.
This took entirely too long to get to.
142!
Turn left onto Bridge Street, then you will arrive at your destination.
Well, we drove the whole 3.5 hours to get here just to find out the guy sold it already. Couldn't let us know that last night when I was talking to him. Yeah, so now we're driving back. This is going to be fun. Not pleased.
How in the world do you let someone drive 3.5 hours to come pick up a $20 computer and then realize you not have it? Well, Apple Cat, think we should upgrade this beast? Groovy. Well, the first thing we're going to do is unlock our keyboard by using this little screw lock up on the top here. And then there's two small tabs up on top. All you do is pull them down, your keyboard comes right out. You guessed it, we're upgrading the RAM. This one's got a cool 128 megabytes, but we can do a lot better than that. After we get our keyboard off, we have to unclip the airport card that's right underneath. See right here's just a little bit of wire. All you gotta do is flip that back and it comes right out, and then gently pulling off the antenna wire also from that airport card. We're gonna be upgrading this baby to 576 megabytes of RAM. There's 64 megabytes on board already, but we have a 512 SIM down in the basement. Check out that airport card. Yeah, vintage goodness. The next thing we need to do is just take these two screws out and remove this metal cover. All I'm using is a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, and these two come out fairly easily. Well, at least they did for me. Now, some of you out there are saying, well, since you're going this far, why don't you just change out the hard drive too? I'm sure the one that's in there is stock and probably pretty small. And you know what? You're right, but we'll show you at the end why I'm not. Oop, almost got it, and good. Woo, look at that. RAM sim. Man, that thing's small. Well, to take this apart, all we have to do is just move these two little tabs. And move these two little tabs. Yep, and then we just lift her up and pull her out. Simple as that. Check that out. 64 megabytes of goodness. Here comes the big dog. Check it out, Samsung 512 PC 133. Now technically the iBook G3s technically take a PC 66, but the PC 33 is backwards compatible all the way to 66, so we're in good shape here. Check it out. Installed. Now we just have to reverse everything that we just done. Oh my, here we go. Oh, that was quick. Well, let's get that airport card back on. Check it out. Now getting these airport cards back in, a little more tricky than it looks. You know, you should think of just slide right in, but it just keeps fighting you and fighting you and fighting you and oh my god, just get in there! There you go. Alright, last step is just to plug back in the antenna, and then we just have to put on our keyboard again. Now these iBooks came pre-installed with Mac OS 9. No, a nice good classic. But you can upgrade them up to 10.4.11, which is Tiger. It's probably one of the best operating systems you can put onto these power PCs. Maybe in an upcoming video we can turn this into a nice dual boot system. You know, classic 9, so we can play the old 9 games. And, you know, the 10.4 Tiger. See if we can get her on the internet and find out what we can do with a power PC. And the keyboard reinstalled. Okay, make sure you lock that thing down. Well, don't slip. Just get it. Come on. Get it. Good. Jeez. And ta-da! That's all there's to it.
Now, what if the zombies come?
I can use my bow and arrow.
Here we are, heading back. Can't believe I'm doing this for a Mac. One good thing about these long rides, you get to catch up with everybody about everything, solving all the world's problems. Because what if the zombies come? And of course driving 14 hours for this thing wasn't good enough. $25.
Ain't she pretty? I even got the charger.
You may be wondering about the chicken reference at the beginning? Well, just wait till the end of the video and you'll find out. We may even have a giveaway. But here we go, restarting this baby. Beautiful. Well, I wonder how long she'll take to boot. I timed it out when she had the 128 megabytes of RAM. So what I did is I started right from the chime to the chickens. Now you'll see the chickens come up here just shortly. And it took about 1 minute and 40 seconds. Now we made a substantial upgrade with our RAM. This beautiful rare piece of wonder should be running at its optimum. Here we go, chickens. 1 minute and 40 seconds? What? That's just plain disappointing. But this isn't disappointing. We have a 20 gig hard drive with the Apple logo on there. This is factory. I have not found anything that showed that it came with a 20 gig hard drive. Apple Cat, you impressed?
Yeah. Buddies.
Giveaway time right here at the Apple Orchard. Get your very own press copy of the Chicken Dance done by yours truly, your host of the Apple Orchard. All you have to do is mark down how many beats per minute the Chicken Dance was at. Yeah, beats per minute. That's beats, booms, bangs, bombs, whatever you want to say per minute on that song. For the rest of you, 0 through 255 is your guess. Put it in the comments below. Those who gets closest or hits it first within the next 48 hours wins.